squishy monster. Gotcha! You're coming home with me.
Octopus! Water!
Perfectly cooked. Now let's chop it up.
Chicken! Potato. Salt. Pepper. Flour.
Huh? What happened here? You clean up. And you get new milk.
Okay. Sorry, Miss Cow. Just borrowing some milk. Daisy, for you.
Okay, thank you.
Milk. Egg. Cheetos.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.
So yummy. I love it. What's this? It turned out to be an eel. I knew what it was for. Let's go home. Hello, everyone. Come cook with me in the kitchen today. Like and subscribe to my channel. Ew. Cooking line. Soy sauce. Lemongrass. Chili powder. Fish. Lemon. Lemongrass. Okay, done.
Wow, I love it.
Amazing.
Tasty.
Fish here. Fish here. Fish here. Anyone want to buy it? Whoa! Big fish. I want to buy it. Here your money. Okay.
Here your fish.
Thank you. Fish. Remove fish scales. Cut off fish scaler.
It's okay.
Next we need lemons. Rosemary. Cut the lemon into small pieces. Put them in the belly of the fish. And rosemary. Oh no! You're so messy. Salt. Water. Mix it now. Cover it with salt. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. Spread it. Now let bake it. Now let's remove salt. It's done. Now I will make a salad to go with the fish. Tomato. Cut the fruits and vegetables into small pieces. Carrot. Radish. to go buy some more.
What? The supermarket is closed? Sigh, what should I do? Ah! Oh my God! What's going on? Oh, I'm sorry. Here, please take this as my apology. All right, I'll go home and cook.
Lamb chops. Salt. Pepper. Rosemary leaves. Thyme. Dried coriander. Olive oil.
Barbecue sauce. Who's that? Your delivery has arrived. Wait a minute, I'm coming. Oh, my cooking ingredients. Just in time.
Thank you. Carrot. Potato. Shallot. Wine. Lamb stock. Butter. Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it? Wow, it looks so yummy.